Good morning, dear students. So, we are dealing with parabolic trend or quadratic trend or second degree trend. So, I'm going to solve one more problem in today's class. So, here is the problem. Fit a parabolic trend of form y is equal to a plus bx plus cx square. So this is parabolic equation for the following data. Then they have given year, they have given from 2008 to 2016, value they have given. Okay. Now we have to solve the problem. Okay. Solution. Yes. First write the equation, the parabolic equation. Parabolic trend equation is y is equal to a plus bx plus cx square. So this is the main equation. Then write the three normal equations. The three normal equations are summation y is equal to na plus b summation x plus c summation x square. So this is first normal equation. Second normal equation, summation xy is equal to a summation x plus b summation x square plus c summation x raised to cube. So this is second normal equation. Then write third normal equation, summation x square y is equal to a summation x square plus b summation x cube plus c summation x raised to 4. So this is third normal equation. So for that you have to solve x square, x cube, x4, then xy and x square y. Okay. So first column is x. So see how many years are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If it is odd, middle one 0. Here 1, 2. Here minus 1, minus 2. Then next column we need x square. Square of this. Minus 2 square, 4. Minus 1 square, 1, 0, 1, 4. Okay. So here value is nothing but y. Okay. So total summation y is equal to 115. And n is how much? 5 years. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 years. Okay. Then summation x, as I had told you, summation x is always 0. Then summation x square is 10. Right. Next column we need x cube. 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8. So it is nothing but minus. Cube means minus. Then minus 1, 0, 1, 8. Here also summation x cube is always 0. Okay. Then x raised to 4. 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16. 1, 0, 1, 16. So summation x raised to 4 total is 34. Next xy. Yes, xy. Here it is y and x. This multiply this to 29 into minus 2 is minus 58. Next 25 into minus 1 is minus 25. Then 22 into 0 is 0. 20 into 1, 20. 19 to the 19 into 2 is 38. So total summation xy is equal to minus 20. Okay. Next column we need x square y. This is x square and this is y. So these two columns multiply. 29 4s are 116. 25 1s are 25 and here 0. 20 into 1 20. 19 4s are 76. So summation x square y is equal to 237. Okay. So here is the required tables what we need to solve the equation. Now this is normal equation, 3 normal and main equation. Now one by one normal equation I'll take equation 1. What is normal equation 1? Summation y is equal to na plus b summation x plus c summation x square. So this first equation I took. Then put the values of this. Summation y is how much? 115 is equal to n is how much? 5. A plus b summation x is 0 plus c summation x square is 10. Okay, simplify. 115 is equal to 5a, here it is 0 plus 10c. By equation 1, we'll get equation number 4 because here 3 are there. Next number is 4th equation we'll get. Okay, now take equation number 2. Equation number 2, summation xy is equal to a summation x plus b summation x raised to square plus c summation x cube. Okay, this is second equation I took. Then put the values in this equation. Summation xy is 25 is equal to a summation x is 0 plus b summation x square 10 plus c summation x cube is always 0. Okay, simplify. 25 is equal to, here it is 0 plus is equal to 10b. Okay, therefore b is equal to 25 divided by 10. So value of b is 2.5. By equation 2 we got equation number that is b value 2.5. Then take now third equation. By third equation we'll get the value of equation 5. Yes, equation 3 is summation x square y is equal to a summation x square plus b summation x cube plus c summation x raised to 4. Okay, this is third equation I took. Now summation x square y, see the table, their total is 237. Okay, here it is 237. You have to see the table. Is equal to a summation x square is 10 plus b x cube is 0 plus c x raised to 4 total is 34. Now simplify. 237 is equal to 10a plus 34c. So by third equation we got fifth equation. Understanding? First equation we got fourth equation, second equation we got value of b, and third equation we got fifth equation. Now you have to compare fourth and fifth equation. Okay, now see here it is 10a and there it is 5a, equation 4 5a. So 5 how much the 10, 5 2s are 10. So therefore you have to multiply this equation 4 with this equation total 4 with 2. Because to cancel 10a you have to multiply 5 into 2. Okay. So next see here, multiply equation number 4 with 2. Okay. So what is equation number 4? 115 is equal to 5a plus 10c. This is equation number 4. So you have to multiply with 2. Okay. Then we'll get 115 into 2 is 230 is equal to 5 into 2 is 10a plus 10 into 2 is 20c. Okay. This we got equation number 6. Okay. Okay. Now equation number 6 you have to subtract, that is substitute. Now substitute means subtract the equation 6 in equation 5. Okay, now take equation 5. 237 is equal to 10a plus 34c minus, substitute minus. From equation 5 deduct equation 6. 230 is equal to 10a plus 20c. Okay, this cancel. Here it remains 7 is equal to 34 minus 20 is 14c. Therefore, I'll solve here. C is equal to 7 divided by 14. So, value of C is 0.5. Now, we got C value and B value. Okay. Now, we have to calculate A. For calculation of A, from equation 1. Okay. Now, take equation 1. Summation y is equal to NA plus summation B summation x plus C summation x square. So this is equation 1. Now substitute value summation y is 115 is equal to N is 5, A we don't know, plus B summation x is B value we know. What is B value? B is 2.5. Yes, 2.5. Summation x is 0 always. Plus C value 0.5 into summation x square is 10. Okay, so 115 is equal to 5a, here 0, plus 0.5 into 10 is 5. So take this plus this side, 115 minus 5 is equal to 5a. That is 110 is equal to 5e. Therefore, a is equal to 110 divided by 5. So value of a is 22. Now we got the values of a, b, c. Okay, here only I'll solve, continue. Last, then solve now trend equation. Equation is y is equal to a plus bx plus cx square. Put all the values. Y is equal to a value 22 plus b value is how much? 2.5 x plus c value is 0.5 x square. So this is the trend equation we got. Okay, so this is the problem.